Hey, I'm Adam with Green Biz Nursery and Landscaping, and today I want to talk to you about how to protect your investment in your landscaping. I want to talk to you about 3 key aspects that are vital to keep your landscape thriving. So the first aspect I want to talk to you about is watering. It's probably the most important aspect in your landscape. That's because all your newer plantings are going to demand a lot more water than established plant material, because the established plant has already pushed out its root system and can soak up water by itself. Seasons greatly affect how much water your plants require. During spring, summer, and fall, the plantings are going to require a lot more water than during the winter. So maybe you had a fall or winter project installed, your plants are going to need a lot less water than during the summertime, maybe twice per week. Also take in consideration that this is the rainy season, so keep an eye on the rain, don't oversaturate your plants. So remember, during the fall and winter, your plants are still going to need water. Some of these plants may look dead, but they're not. Crepe myrtles, Itea, there's a lot of different plants that are deciduous. They're still going to need water even though all their leaves have dropped. So the discussion of the seasons brings me to the second key aspect in your landscaping, and that's fertilization. So you're going to want to fertilize during the spring, summer, and fall. You won't need to fertilize during the winter because all the plants are in dormancy and they're not pushing out the root system or new growth. So in the early spring, you want to do a premium grade, slow release fertilizer such as Osmocote. During summer, you're going to do a second application of the Osmocote. Going into colder months, you're going to use a low nitrogen, high phosphorus fertilizer that prepares the plant for the harsh winter. So the third key aspect I want to talk to you about is very beneficial, and that's pruning. So regular pruning on your plant material always encourages new growth. It also promotes symmetry and fullness of the plant, and then it keeps higher maintenance plants more manageable. I hope this video has been very helpful and beneficial for you, and I hope it helps alleviate any stress you had about your new plant material. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to give us a call at the office. I'm Adam with Green Biz Nursery and Landscaping, and we look forward to helping you.